Hey there, you great people. I hope you've been so well, honestly. First of all, I'd like to apologise for lack of content. I have literally over the last month or two had some other issues I've had to sort out, and they've had to take priority. They're very important. You know, I'll be putting more content up if I could recently, and I will try and get back up on top of putting up at least 3 or 4 videos a day, rather than leaving it until now, with the last video being, what, 4 days ago, the chunky chili con carne. And thank you for the suggestion in the comments about the, I think you said the Henderson's relish instead of Worcestershire sauce. Don't think I can get that here though. Maybe that's just in America, but I'll try and have a look next time I get to a big supermarket here in my town of Launceston. Anyway, on Bonfire night, as you saw, I put the video up a good week ago now. I did loads of fountain shot tubes and rockets. And on that night, I actually did the biggest fountain I owned at the end. However, when it comes to actually editing the video onto a blank recording platform, I couldn't quite fit that last fountain on. So I'm going to show you in a minute on its own video. It's quite a long firework fountain and a large one. It lasts over a minute long. It's by TNT Fireworks and it's called Goblins. Really good fountain. If you ever see these for sale, whether you be in the US for Thanksgiving or for Christmas or Independence Day, or here for Bonfire at night or New Year's Eve in England, United Kingdom, then please buy it because they're worth the money and they have a lot of powdering. Really good fun. And I thought I'd show you this in a moment. And I will, by the way, have another video either tomorrow or the day after, I promise. I'm going to try getting back on top of bringing you content every few days again now. Sorted a lot of my own issues out I needed to sort out, which were very important. And most of those are out of the way now. What we'll do now is I'll show you this amazing fountain. Thank you so much, by the way, for watching. Pop up.